is a feeling, you know. This word means the power of our land, the power of the sea, the power of everything. It's like your ancestor and everybody helping you. This is called the mana. That's power, like superpower. Hep, hey! Now you go deeper. Everything chants. Hey, he! You need to use all your body. You know that you got it.
So you have to be one with the other 6 guys on your canoe from the start until the end.
For Tahitians, the ocean represents food first. The second thing, it's sports.
Paddling here is like football in your country, I think, or soccer in Europe.
Our country is made for this sport. There's no other race like Hawaiki Nui.
On this Hawaiki Nui Va'a, we start on Wednesday in Huahini, goes to Raiatea, and then on the next morning there's the women race and the junior race. Then there's the second lap for the men from Raiatea to Taha'a, and the last lap from Taha'a to Bora Bora.
Best team in here, Team OPT, EDT, Shell, and RUFI is a good team, it's in the 15 best team.
Now 2 days left. Yeah, we finished first today, but we know that the 2 other days will be really hard too. So we hope to finish like the same than today.
When I'm in the canoe, I change like crazy. I don't know what happened in my head, but I want to kill everybody. I want nobody in front of me.
Yesterday was hard, and today good. Finish first.
$58K only from Taha'a to Bora Bora. That's the Iron Race.
The winners here are the best surfers. You can have all the muscles, but if you can't surf, it's impossible.
guys, just really happy to win the biggest race in the world 2 times in a row, you know.
We fight until the end. Can you imagine we paddle like almost for 2 hours and we win only 6 seconds. You can imagine all the way the race was only fighting and fighting.
You know, we're an amazing part of the world, and it's just a whole lot of really friendly people who love a sport which they've grown up on. Yeah, it's an amazing experience to be here.
We got this in our blood, and more you grow up, more you understand this. Here you got the mana. You know, you got the mana.